Good morning, all of you. My name is Jagriti, and today I am going to present a presentation on extrovert and introvert. I like to begin with the meaning. So, what is extrovert and introvert? Extrovert and introvert are the types of personality in any human being. Extroverts are like they are friendly nature and they like to talk with the people. They do not like to spend time alone. And introverts are they spend time alone and they are not comfortable to talk with people. Whomever they know, they talk with them only, and they do not talk with everyone because uh, in their mind they are having fear of the people. Next is types of personalities. There are three types of personalities: extrovert, introvert, and ambivert. Extrovert and introvert I have already told, and in ambivert is the middle of the thing. Ambivert are having half qualities of extrovert and half qualities of introvert. Ambiverts are like whenever they think that they have to speak and they have to interact with the people, they do that. And whenever they think that they have to think a lot and they have to spend time alone, then they do that, because that's why they are in the middle, they are in the between, because both the qualities they are having ambivert. Now we will come and see the extrovert and introvert personality in more detail. First, we will talk about the extrovert personality. Two qualities of extroverts are given on the slide. First is enjoy social settings. They like to enjoy social settings. They like to interact to the people, and they like to go and enjoy with the people. They do not like to spend time alone. And second is avoid alone time. It means that they do not like to sit alone and think, do not like to do any work alone. They always do whatever they want to do with the people. They do not sit alone and think. Third quality is make new friends easily. They make new friends very easily because they are friendly in nature. They like to talk with the people, so that's why they are make friends very easily. Anybody is not talking to them, then also they try to talk with them because they are extroverts. Fourth quality is love to express their feelings. They like to share their feelings, their things, whatever they have. They like to just share them. They do not keep anything in their mind. Fourth quality is to love to express their feelings. Fifth quality is outgoing and optimistic. They are like outgoing with their friends and family members. They like to just enjoy. They like enjoying very much. So they are outgoing. They are always ready to go anywhere and enjoy with the family or friends. Fifth is flexible. Flexible, it means that when they go any marriage, so they are just like that. They enjoy a lot. They have the food and everything. And if they are in any meeting or in any interview, so they interact with the people like that only, very formally. So flexible means according to the situation, they convert themselves like that only. So it is the extrovert personality. Now we will talk about the introvert personality. Introvert personality. There are four types of introverts. First is social introverts. Social introverts, like they do not interact to the people. They are not socially interacted to the people because they have the fear. They do not like to talk with everyone. And second is thinking introvert. Thinking introverts means they think a lot. They are like overthinkers. They think a lot. They do not it is not easy for them to talk with the people, to share everything to the people. They think a lot. Just they are busy in their thoughts. Whatever they want to do, whatever they like to do, they do alone. They do not need any help or nothing to the people. Third quality is anxious introvert. Anxious introvert means if they go in front of the people, is some like there is any crowd or like their audience are sitting and they have to speak something, then they have a lot of fear. These type of introverts called anxious introvert. They those who have the fear of the public, they are not able to speak very easily. That's why they are called anxious introvert. Fourth quality is restrained introvert. Restrained introverts means if somebody come to them and talk to them and ask something them, they do not just reply them very fast. They are not like that. They first understand the thing, they think about it, then they reply whatever the thing is, then they reply after thinking a lot. That's why they are called restrained introverts. That if we come to the conclusion, which is better, extrovert is better and introvert, or extrovert is better or introvert is better, I think both of them have their positive sides and negative sides. According to me, extroverts speak a lot. They are friendly natured, as I told you. I think extrovert should also think, and before doing something, they should also think. And introverts, they are having the fear of the people. They should not have the fear. They should speak. Uh, they should in the conversation to the people. So thank you, sir.